Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistances a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? And that would be if the price can continue to stay up here above the 43-cent mark. It was tested several times today, but to give credit where credit's due, the price has held above there. Don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 43, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 43 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward. After today's price movement, the party finally stopped today up there at 52 cents on 2 separate occasions. The price tried to get up through that level and just couldn't quite do it. So 52 will be public enemy number 1 going forward. All in all, though, as long as the price continues to chip away and build these higher bases like it's been doing, that is what ultimately matters. So resistance levels, yeah, they matter, but they don't, because what really matters, like I said, is just keep on doing this. As long as the price continues to chip away and build higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps are built in the upwards direction, then sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.